Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. It is so great to have you here with us today.
We have a quick question for you. Do you ever learn a new English word, get really excited about it, and then the next day, poof, it just disappears from your brain?
I know that feeling. If that sounds familiar, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to share some really fun and practical ways to remember new English words fast.
And the best part is these aren't difficult, boring methods. These are tricks you can start using right after this episode. Sound good? You know, Ben, forgetting words happens to every single learner. It's totally normal. You might learn words like receipt, umbrella, or appointment. You see them, you understand them, and the next time you need one, it's gone.
And that's so frustrating because without words, you can't really communicate what you want to say. It's like having a car with no fuel.
That's a great way to put it. Grammar helps, but words are the building blocks of every conversation. They are the fuel for your English.
Absolutely. Imagine you're in a pharmacy and you're trying to say you have a headache, but you forget the word. So you're just pointing at your head saying, "Ow, pain here." It can be a little embarrassing.
Right. Or you're in a nice restaurant trying to ask for the menu, but the word just won't come. If you can't remember it, the conversation stops.
So the big question is, if remembering words is so important, why do so many learners struggle with it?
Great point, Ben. I think it often comes down to how we learn. So let's look at the most common mistakes people make.
Okay, mistake number 1, memorizing long lists of random words.
Yes, like table, chair, window, bottle. It sounds useful, but your brain sees them as separate, lonely words. After 2 days, they're gone.
Instead, learn them in sentences. Give them some friends. For example, I put the bottle on the table near the window.
Now you've connected 3 words in a little story. That connection is so much stronger for your memory.
All right, mistake number 2, always translating words into your first language.
Oh, this is a big one. If every time you see the word receipt, you stop, think of the word in your language, and then translate it back, your brain works much slower. You're adding an extra step.
Exactly. Instead, connect the English word directly to an image or a real-life situation.
For example, the word rain. Don't translate it. Close your eyes and imagine raindrops hitting your window. Hear the sound, feel the cool air. Now the word rain is an experience, not just a translation.
Okay, so now we know what not to do, but what should we do instead? Let's get to the good stuff, the memory hacks.
Let's do it. We've got 10 powerful tricks that actually work. First up is tip number 1, visual connection.
This one is fun. Don't just memorize the word apple. That's boring. Instead, imagine a giant red apple falling on your head. Boink!
Exactly. Your brain remembers strange and funny images much better than plain words. How about the word receipt, Ben?
Okay, receipt. Instead of just repeating it, picture a super long receipt rolling out of a shop all the way down the street like a red carpet for a movie star. The funnier and stranger the image, the better it sticks.
I love that. Okay, tip number 2, story linking. This is where you connect words into a crazy little story.
Right. Let's take 3 random words. Umbrella, pizza, and dog.
Okay, how about the happy dog ate a giant pizza under my yellow umbrella? It's silly, but your brain just locked in 3 new words.
That's a great one. Okay. Tip 3 is simple but powerful. Use the word immediately.
Yes, don't wait. If you learn the word appointment, send a text to a friend right then. I have an appointment tomorrow. Or just write it down.
The faster you use it, the faster it stays. It tells your brain, hey, this word is important. We need it right now.
Okay, tip 4, speak out loud. Reading silently isn't enough. You have to say the word and the sentence.
This is so important. If you learn the word library, don't just read it. Say out loud, "The library is near my house." Speaking trains your memory 3 times faster because you use your mouth, your ears, and your brain.
3 connections are always better than 1, which leads us to tip 5. Group by topic.
Yes, learn related words together. For example, if you're learning about travel, learn airport, ticket, plane, and passport at the same time.
Then you can combine them. I lost my ticket at the airport before getting on the plane. Now you're practicing 4 words together.
Moving on to tip 6, personalize it. Make the word about you.
This is my favorite way to make words memorable. Let's say the new word is coffee.
Well, I drink coffee every morning, so I'll say that sentence. I drink coffee every morning.
And for me, I might say, I need coffee before I can talk to anyone.
Because it's about our real lives, the word becomes more important and easier to remember. Personal equals memorable.
So true. Okay, tip 7 is spaced repetition. This sounds technical, but it's really simple. Don't study for 3 hours once a week. It's better to study for 5 minutes every day.
Exactly. It's like watering a plant. You give it a little water often. Review your new words today, again tomorrow, and then again next week. That repetition is how words move from your short-term memory into your long-term memory.
Tip 8 is a classic. Sticky notes. Put little notes on objects all around your house.
Yes, a note on your mirror that says mirror. One on the fridge that says fridge. One on your door that says door. Your apartment looks like a rainbow of sticky notes, but it works.
Yes, each time you see them, you read and say the word. It's free, natural practice all day long.
Tip 9 is learn synonyms and phrases. Don't just stop at one word. For example, if you learn hungry, also learn the phrase, I'm starving.
Or if you learn thank you, also learn thanks a lot or I really appreciate it. That way, you understand real-life English and you sound much more natural when you speak.
And finally, tip number 10 is my absolute favorite. Teach someone else. If you can explain a new word to another person, you will remember it forever.
It's true. You can teach your friend, your parent, your pet. I teach my dog Spanish words all the time. Or you can even just explain it to yourself in the mirror. The act of teaching forces your brain to understand it deeply. Whew, that was a lot of tips. But now it's time for the most important part. It's time for you to practice.
That's right. We're going to give you some words, and your job is to use one of the tricks we just talked about. Make a funny image, a silly story, or a personal sentence.
Okay, first word is umbrella. An example sentence from me is, my umbrella is dancing in the wind.
Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the podcast if you need to, say your sentence out loud, and for extra practice, write it in the comments below. We'll give you a few seconds to think.
Great job. Okay, word number 2, library. My silly sentence is, the library near my house serves pizza. Silly, but unforgettable. Your turn.
Awesome. Word 3, headache. My example is, I had a headache after eating 5 pizzas. Okay, what's your sentence?
Fantastic. And the last one, word 4, appointment. Here's a story linking sentence. I missed my appointment because I lost my umbrella. Your turn to make a sentence. That was amazing. Remember, speaking and writing your own sentences makes the memory twice as strong.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. We talked about turning words into pictures, making silly stories, and using them right away.
We also covered speaking them out loud, learning them in topic groups, personalizing them, and using spaced repetition.
And don't forget sticky notes, learning synonyms and phrases, and even teaching others.
And now for the bonus. It's more than just a tip. I think it's a game changer. And it is. Connect the new with the old.
Ooh, I like this. So, for example, your new word is umbrella. and an old word you know very well is coffee. Put them together.
The sentence could be, I drank my coffee while holding my umbrella. It's like building a bridge from an island you already know, the word coffee, to the new island you just discovered, the word umbrella.
Every time you link a new word to something you already know, your brain builds a stronger and stronger connection, and that is how words stop disappearing.
As we finish up, we just want to leave you with this thought. Every single new word you learn is a step forward. Even one new word today makes your English better than it was yesterday.
And please don't be afraid of forgetting. Forgetting is a natural part of learning. It's okay. What matters is that you keep showing up, keep practicing, and keep having fun with it.
So here is our final challenge for you. What is one English word you always forget? Write it in the comments below and let's all practice it together.
That's a great idea. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson.
We're your daily duo.
And your English-speaking buddies. Keep learning, and we'll see you next time.